PatentPia's Prometheus guide tutorials will be divided into 7 main sections. The following is section 4 of our tutorial series, which will show users how to perform patent transaction analysis to identify various trends and key players in the market, along with the level of synergy created by purchased patents. PatentPia's database allows users to perform comprehensive patent transaction analysis of the quantity, quality, and participants of transacted patents for each technical field. Strategic patent transactions have been increasing as it is an effective method that allows businesses to quickly respond and proactively maneuver into evolving markets. Through the analysis, users will be able to identify, analyze, and determine the impact of competitors who have purchased patents through M&A and also evaluate the synergy created by transacted patents. Analysis of competitors' patent transactions allows users to identify the end buyers and users and determine the type, quantity, and technical field of patents purchased and sold by competitors. Users may also analyze patents owned by companies involved in M&A transactions, shell companies involved in patent transactions, and NPE-related patent transactions. Analysis of patent transaction trends allows businesses to identify technical fields with increasing and decreasing transaction activity and companies actively involved in patent transactions. This becomes increasingly important as the identification of patent transactions related to NPEs is a key factor in business risk management. Now let's go to Prometheus and identify patent transaction trends through the identification of patent buyers and sellers. Now go to Prometheus and click on the filter next to the view code to locate A-TT111. Click OK. And click on the checkbox next to the menu item, and then click Go. The data type used in this analysis is the hashtag PE (US data, which is PatentPia's basic patent and evaluation data, which includes all of the input patents along with over 200 parameters and evaluation scores. Once the data loading is complete, click OK, and click on the resulting worksheet. The results in the table shows a comprehensive analysis of current assignees of purchased patents and their previous assignees, which allows you to identify the buyers and sellers. The user may filter the results to see only patent transactions that were external sales and purchases by selecting blank in the P153 whether current assignee and previous assignee have a common brand parameter filter. Now you can add this filter by going to the pivot table and adding P153, whether the current assignee and previous assignee have a common brand, and then select blank, which eliminates the common brand transactions. So for example, before I do this, Microsoft Technology Licensing is the current assignee and Microsoft is the previous assignee. So Microsoft sold 155 patents to Microsoft Technology Licensing. Now if you select blank, you can see only transactions that were external sales. Also, by clicking on the number results in the table, another sheet will be generated. And this sheet includes the patent data supporting the results that we just saw in the table. You can also click on the URL, which will take you to PatentPia's website, where you'll be able to find comprehensive information related to the specific patent, in addition to useful information about the current assignee, or the NPE, and the evaluation grades for all of the patents that are owned by the NPE. Now let's go back to Prometheus and perform another analysis. So another analysis that users can perform is to identify patent transaction trends through the analysis of patent purchases. Now go to the Prometheus file and click on the view code to locate C-LT214. Click OK, and click on the checkbox next to the menu item and click Go. The data type used in this analysis is the same data that we just used before, which is PatentPia's basic patent and evaluation data. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and go to the resulting worksheet. The results in the table show the comprehensive analysis of technical fields of patents that have been purchased by companies each year. Now, users may see the analysis results for specific current assignees by selecting current assignee in the P3 current assignee input parameter. So you go to the P3 current assignee parameter and you can filter the results, for example, for Google. Click OK. And now the results in the table will show the analysis of the technical fields of patents that have been purchased by Google each year. And you can refresh your chart by clicking the refresh button. And the chart will show the results for the trends of patent purchases by Google. Users may also identify patent transaction trends involving NPEs. Now go to Prometheus and click on the filter next to the view code and locate A-TT112. Click OK and click on the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. The data type used in this analysis is again the hashtag PE parentheses US data, which is PatentPia's basic patent and evaluation data. Now once the data loading is complete, click OK and click on the resulting worksheet. Now the results in the table show the comprehensive analysis of patents involving NPEs each year. Users may see the analysis results for transactions from NPEs to non-NPEs. Now you can see that IA Labs.-CA, which is an NPE, sold 5 patents in 2014 to Nintendo, which is the current assignee of the 5 patents. Users can also identify patent transaction trends for each current assignee by the technical field. So when you go to Prometheus, click on the filter next to the view code to locate A-TT122. The data type used in this analysis is again the hashtag PE parentheses US data, which is PatentPia's basic patent and evaluation data. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and click on the resulting worksheet. Now the results in the table show the current assignees and the technical fields of the transacted patents for each year. Users may see the results for only internal transfers, for example, from Microsoft to Microsoft Technology Licensing, and their technical field by selecting one for the P153 parameter filter. So this includes only internal transfers. So you'll see the technology fields like image data processing and electrical digital data processing have been the type of patents that have been transferred from within Microsoft to another affiliated company. And vice versa, if you want to see only external transfers, just click blank and click OK, and you'll see only the external transfers. So you can see the actual patents by clicking on the number in the table, and you can see various information about the patents in the additional worksheet that's been generated. And you can also go to the actual patent that was transferred and see additional information in detail about the NPE that purchased the patents and the grades of all of the patents that have been purchased. For more information, please visit us at about.patentpia.com or www.patentpia.com.